a new set of events was fed into the matrix of natural law, into the concourse of regular system of cause and effect.
And that could be considered a miracle.
That's what a miracle is in the Bible. It's an act of God. In the Exodus miracle, it says, and the Lord caused an east wind to blow. It represents God as an actor within the matrix of natural law, which he otherwise sustains and upholds. So I think Hume's argument against miracles, his in-principle argument, failed, which means that we have to be open to evaluating claims of the miraculous on the basis of the evidence that pertains to them. Most of them may be bunk, but there is a consistent pattern of corroboration of biblical witness where we can check the biblical witness, the historical reliability, that I think means that we ought to be open to evaluating those more extraordinary events as possibly true as well. That was my reference to the scholars who have done the deep dive on the case of pro and con about the resurrection.